This is everything I eat in a day living in Japan. Woke up and I'm mixing protein into my cereal milk again, added some granola and ate that. Had a kiwi after that, and then me and my brother went to go see my dad's friend and his nephew. We met up at this cafe situation, had this milk coffee thing and then headed to work. Did my shift and with some work food on the handle of my umbrella, I walked in the rain back to my grandma's house. And yo, you already know that the fish I bring home from work is an S-tier situation. Had that with okra I picked up for $1, bamboo shoots, tomato, beef tendons my grandma made, and water for the bed. And my grandma wasn't able to eat all the yakisoba noodles she bought, so I had some of those also. Finished the night off with an apple, a red bean paste cream sandwich, and a popsicle, and that's everything I had today.